Northern Contours has been a leading manufacturer of cabinet and furniture components in North America for almost 30 years. If you aren't familiar with us yet, here's a snapshot. All of our products are North American made in our 5 facilities across the US and Canada. We take projects and programs of all sizes, from custom requests to high volume requirements. We're an early adopter of engineered materials and solutions. We understand the many benefits of utilizing the latest advances in material and manufacturing technology, and we bring that value to our customers with our amazing products. For cabinetry, our engineered solutions mean an evolutionary leap. Engineered products evolve to solve the problems of predecessor products and materials, and they're already right at home in your kitchens and bathrooms. Engineered countertop materials like quartz are extremely popular. Look down. You might just be standing on durable laminate flooring. The advantages of these common engineered products are right in line with the advantages of engineered cabinet components and materials. They are very durable, they resist scratches, and they stand up well to wear. They're easy to clean, they resist stains, they're water, dirt, and bacteria resistant. They offer a wide array of color, pattern, and finish options. Again, engineered materials and engineered solutions are our expertise. We use our expertise and innovation to make cabinet components in 4 distinct collections. 3D laminates, seamless, non-porous, membrane pressed. 5-piece wrap doors, state-of-the-art finishes, assembled in shaker, miter, and French miter construction. Wood veneer, internally edge-banded slab styles, natural, exotic, and reconstituted species. Level, edge-banded components with square corners, matte, textured, and high-gloss finish options. We invite you to explore our product lines, delve into the world of benefits afforded by engineered materials, and to learn more about how we can create valuable partnerships together.